Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share the product name Baby Earth Upton Sunnipindi Traditional Baby Bath Powder.
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें हमारी न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
I'm going to share pure, safe and honest review of this product. It is our old, tried, tested and recipe-based traditional baby bath powder is a natural substitute for soap. This powder for refreshing, gentle, slow and luxurious bathing experience and radiant skin. It is actually baby bath powder but बहुत अच्छा powder है, so adult can also use this powder as a non-soap face and body wash. I'm also using this product on my baby's skin and I'm sure you that this product is really very good for baby's skin. This product claims safe for use on 1 week old baby or and older. For a precautionary, I suggest always do a patch test around the elbow area before use on your baby's delicate skin. How we can use this? It's a simple remedy. Scoop a spoonful of bath powder in a bowl. Add water or milk. Mix well to a thin paste-like consistency. Gently massage this all over your baby's body. Rinse off the paste with lukewarm water as you bath the baby.